Are you concerned that your child has missed out on a lot of school? Well, I am happy to say that the County Office of Education has a virtual summer academy. It starts on June 22nd. It will be available for 10 weeks. And your child and you will have really fun doing it. Check out the County Office of Education website, napacoe.org. I'm Barbara Nemko, County Superintendent of Schools, and we're going to show you other things you can do as part of your everyday activities. What do you think about making some bread
I want to
for
play
sandwiches?
with the dog. No. Hachi, who's the best doggy?
Well,
who's the best doggy?
If you don't help make the bread, you don't get to eat the bread.
Oh, you can make it without me?
No, I can. I can eat it without you, too. I think you should help because it's fun.
Hachi, I'll come back later.
So we're going to need some flour and some yeast and some butter. And the recipe says I need 3 cups of flour. How much is in this cup?
Not 3 cups.
You think this is going to be 3 cups worth?
No, I think we got to go to the store.
I think so too. How much do you think this is? Estimate for me.
Well, this thing says 1 cup. This thing says, looks like about maybe 1.5 cups.
Okay, well, we're going to check that out later and see if that's true. In the meantime, we're going to go to the store and let's see if we can figure out how much that bread's going to cost us.
I'd rather have a flour fight. Can we have a flour fight?
No, we cannot. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're in the supermarket.
All
now
right.
what?
So in the supermarket, you can estimate all the prices, or you can look at the prices and estimate what the total will be. And that's another math problem that you can give your child to solve. Estimation is really an important math skill.
It's really true. That's actually really true. There's no math concept that you'll use more in your day-to-day life than estimation.
And then when you're actually making the bread and you're measuring, you can decide you want to double the recipe or you want to halve the recipe. And those are all math skills that you can use in all your cooking every day if you involve your child with you.
Everyday activities, whether it be TV or making dinner or reading aloud, can be ways to make your summer fun and education.